Who will write the ad that sells your home? This is a question many home sellers give very little attention to. Our team is part of an elite group of real estate agents worldwide who have access to top real estate copywriters. We pay for the privilege of using specialized ads that generate hundreds and hundreds of qualified buyer leads every month, buyers looking for a home just like yours. We also spend hours upon hours every month learning how to write specific ads and other marketing materials to sell homes just like yours, as well as to present properties in the best light possible. The right word chosen for an ad can make a $20,000 difference. Words matter. We have written thousands of real estate ads. Also, only a fraction of a small percentage of agents worldwide have special licensing access rights to use a leading-edge software program to create ads and other materials to present properties in the best possible light. Our team leader personally writes or approves every ad, every flyer, every website for every property, including yours. Consider this simple example. Backyard with mountain views. One letter, not even a word, one letter makes a significant difference. Further, there are over 200 descriptive words to choose from to put in front of mountain views. For example, tranquil mountain views, private mountain views, breathtaking mountain views. Different descriptive words attract different types of buyers prepared to pay different prices. There is a science to this, perfected by us, and our track record proves this. Companies willingly and eagerly pay big bucks to have ad copy professionals write ads that create demand for their services or products. Home sellers, like you, can have the same professional level of experience working for you. We know the science behind marketing and ad copy, the science that can produce more demand for your home. By creating more demand, your home sells for more money and faster. There's a difference between just selling your home and selling your home right. So, if you're serious about getting the most amount of money from your home sale, put our home selling team to work for you. Contact us today and start packing.